Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to purchase items on Shein. First, I'm going to log in my email and password. If you're new, you can always sign up for an account. Now that I am signed into Shein, I am going to scroll and select the item that I want to purchase. I'm going to select the size and then I'm going to press add to cart. Now that all the items are in my cart, I'm going to ensure that I have the right amount, size and everything is okay. Then I'm going to click on checkout. So I'm going to check out 14 items. Now I'm going to select standard shipping, and standard shipping is always free, and you can always select express shipping but at a cost. I'm going to turn on time delivery. So if Shein decides to delay my package, I will get 500 points, which is equivalent to 5 USD. Now I'm going to select the payment method, which is credit or debit card. There are several other payment methods such as PayPal, Apple Pay, Cash App, and even in some countries you have cash on delivery. Now I'm going to apply my voucher or coupon code. Now I'll get a 2% off. You can add other coupon codes if your order is above a certain figure. For example, $50, you may get a discount of $8 and so forth. Alright, now you can also add points to reduce the cost. I have only 18 cents. I'm going to add it to reduce my cost. You may get points by daily check-in. You can also review the product previous orders from Shein to get points. And now you can also use a gift card if you have one. You can also use your wallet credit that you'd have got from refund products. So I'm going to scroll down now. Because I'm shipping on a Sunday, the shipping is free. So you can always ship on a Sunday to get the free shipping. Now I'm going to click on place order. Now I'm going to insert my credit card details. So I'm going to insert the card number, the expiry date, the CVV, which is the 3 digits at the back of the card. I will also insert my billing address that was given to me by my shipping company, and there are several shipping companies in Jamaica now where you can get your package easy to you. Now you can just go on Google and search in shipping companies closest to you in your parish to get your package here in Jamaica. If you live elsewhere, for example the US, you can use your personal home address where you get the package directly to your door, or you can use your postal office, which is your PO box. Now after I insert all my information, I am going to click on place order. After I click place order, I'm going to see a message saying payment successful. If there's not enough money in the account to make the order, you will see insufficient fund and you will have to add money to the card and then you can do the process. Now you will receive an email saying order was placed and you get the cost and all of that. You can also check your package to see where it is by clicking on view order and click on check. So you will see exactly the different places the package is at. You may also notice that when you make a purchase for one order, what Shein does is to split your package into several different orders. However, after a few days when the package is shipped, you realize there's an icon that says join shipment. So most of the time, you will get your package as one, even though they split the packages. And then sometimes you may get 2 orders depending on how they package. Because there are several different suppliers on Shein now and the products are coming from different places, so hence the reason for the split orders. Now if you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful, just leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, if you have any questions and so on. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and until next time, stay safe.